Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be designing Cookie Monster gift basket. This is one of the baskets that we got from Family Dollar. I'm going to be using that. I use my Cricut machine to cut out the sticker that I applied to the front of the container. So what I'm going to be using in the container is this plush Cookie Monster. This came from Walmart. I'm going to use this Starry Night Gold Light, the little Sesame Street book, Let's Take a Walk, and the little night light, and the little Cookie Monster rattle. All those three Sesame Street items came from Dollar Tree. And I have this bubble wand that came from Walmart. And this little globe light came from Dollar Tree as well, guys. Okay? Alright, so what I've done is I have my base already prepared. I wanted a backer for this gift, so I used some cardboard and wrapped it with this beautiful colorful paper. So I'm going to just put that down in the back of the container. And all I have in the base is craft paper. Okay, so that's my backer. Okay, so it's not going to take much for this gift. It's not many items. And for a smaller child, you don't have as many items to go in anyway. So I'm going to first put my plush in. I'm going to sit him down really good. I'm going to get some fishing wire and put around him. Make sure he stays in place. Just going to tie it in the back. Just tying it to the backer. Okay. Alright, so we have him good and secure. And I'm going to go ahead and take off this Sesame Street tag, and I'm just going to put it down inside the container. I'll just have him sitting on it, so his hands will be empty. Next, I want to add this book, and I want him to be holding the book. So I'm going to kind of sit in his lap. I'm not really sure how I'm going to put his hands around it, but I want his hands to be secured to it. I'm gonna try a little glue dot here and see if it holds. We'll see if that holds. I'm not feeling like it is. I think it's going to be a temporary hold, because I don't want to put the permanent glue dots, because the book will be torn and then it could damage the plushie as well. Okay. Our bubble, I know a baby can't use this to blow bubbles, but the parent or siblings can blow the bubbles for the baby. Okay, so I am going to just go to the bottom of this and take the bubble wand in. Okay, the next thing we have, let's see here. I want to put this little light in because babies love to watch lights and stuff like that. So let's push this over some. I'm going to put this in, hopefully. I can get this in. Put it under that fishing wire. And just tape the side of the box to the container. Then I'm going to take the box down to the base. Okay, so we have our globe light in. Okay, that's looking okay so far. So I'm going to sit the little plushie up just a little bit, sit it up a little bit straighter. And move over the little tag I just cut off of it. Okay, so far it's holding on to the book good. Now the next thing I have, because I don't have as much room, I'm going to go ahead and cut this, even though it has Sesame Street up here, I'm going to cut off this hang tag portion here. Okay. And this is a LED manual on-off switch night light. Okay, and then I have the beautiful Cookie Monster rattle with rings. I'm going to go ahead and cut this as well. Okay. Okay. So that's what we have. I'm going to take a look at it and see if I need to add anything else to it. I'm going to put some tape at the top of the box here. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this gift, guys. So here's our finished product here. All right. And the only thing I noticed when I finished is his little hand came away from the book. But I'm going to leave it like that, guys. It's going to be okay. All right. So it came out really pretty, guys. And I am going to, let's see, get this little area. I'm going to add a little bow to it and put my little information card on it. And we're finished. And on to the next one. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.